Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to insert a horizontal line in Google Docs. There's actually two ways to do this and I will show you both. The first way is pretty straightforward. Click on the Insert tab in your Google Docs and click this horizontal line option appearing just right here. Click on it and a basic thin black line drops right into your document wherever the cursor is. Now, the second way gives you a lot more control over how the line looks. Go to the Format tab and click Paragraph Styles. Choose Borders and Shading, and here you'll have to choose the position of your lining. I will choose it to sit below the text, so I will choose this one. Now choose border width, that is the line width. I will prefer a little thicker. Now choose whether you want the lining to be a consistent line or dashed. I will choose consistent. Now you can also choose the lining color. I will choose something like red. Now, you can also choose background color or paragraph padding. I will leave it as it is and I will click apply. After I do this, it will instantly add another horizontal line and it will look like this. Once everything looks good, hit apply and your customized line appears right there on your page. So that's how you insert a horizontal line in Google Docs. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.